Iguazu Falls is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, and it's definitely worth a visit. But the question is, which side should you see it from? Brazil or Argentina? Iguazu Falls is located on the border of Argentina and Brazil. With over 275 individual waterfalls spanning nearly 2 miles, it's no wonder that Iguazu Falls is considered one of the most awe-inspiring sights in the world. The falls are surrounded by lush rainforests, which is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including jaguars, toucans, and monkeys. It also makes Niagara Falls look like a faucet. Sorry, Canada, but it's true. First, let's talk about the Argentina side. You walk into the national park and begin to head over in the direction of the falls. On your way there, you'll see a few giant lizards hanging about. Check them out, but don't get too close. As you move further down the paths, there are quite a few intense warning signs that show you what can happen if you try to touch any of the monkeys or the coatis. So yeah, don't touch them if you come across any. Further down, you'll start to approach some catwalks as the river and waterfalls start to come into view. There are a lot of cool spots with mini waterfalls to enjoy here. At the end of the path, you get a nice open area to grab some pictures or footage from a distance. Make sure to drink plenty of water as the sun gets really intense around here, or get wet at one of the many water mist stations. Now, the main highlight on the Argentina side is the Devil's Throat. It's a catwalk that lets you walk through the top of one of the waterfalls. Unfortunately, it was currently undergoing repairs while we were there, but we were able to take a train to the entrance and see some wildlife. The train goes through a trail with tons of butterflies. They are bright colors and you can walk through a swarm if you'd like. They also don't bite. Then there are coatis which do bite. They seem harmless and walk around being curious and mostly looking for food. They reminded us of raccoons back home. We hung out with them for a bit before making our way out. We were pretty bummed about not being able to get very close to the waterfalls here, but lucky for us, the Brazil side was just a short bus ride away. This side of Iguazu Falls offers a panoramic view of the waterfalls, which is perfect for those who want to take in the whole experience. Already at the start of the trail, you get to start enjoying the views of the waterfalls and the river. It's like being in a tropical paradise, surrounded by lush greenery and exotic wildlife. You can't help but stop at various points and just stare in awe. This is when it really starts to hit you as to how large the waterfalls really are. The roar of the water starts to intensify as you get closer and closer. Then the paths begin to descend a bit more steeply as you approach the main area. This is where you're going to get up close and personal with the waterfalls. Hope you were expecting to get wet, because that's exactly what's going to happen. It starts with a light mist when you make your way to the start of the catwalk and quickly turns into an intense rain that will leave you drenched. This was so much fun. We felt very lucky to be able to get this close and appreciate one of Mother Nature's most amazing creations. The views from here are just absolutely stunning in all directions. After you leave the catwalk, you can enjoy a close view from the side before making your way back up. You can take an elevator if you want to wait in line, or begin to hike your way back up the path if you're feeling up to it. We chose the path as we wanted to still be immersed in the experience, but yeah, there are a lot of inclines and steps. Do keep in mind that both sides offer boat tours if you really want to get absolutely drenched. So which side is better? While they were both beautiful and unique in their own right, we're probably going to go with the Brazil side. You get the catwalk over the waterfall experience that the Argentina side has, plus the panoramic and epic trail that really shows you the grandness of Iguazu Falls. Sorry Argentina, you can't be the champions at everything. Want to see another cool place nearby along with some tips? Check out our Cartagena, Colombia video here.